Okay, you guys, it's raining. I didn't forget my mask. I got my mask. But I gotta watch out for all the potholes. Fucking potholes everywhere on this road. Because it's a private way. So, it's worse it's worse when you're driving. Because you can at least see them when you're walking. Terrible. Yeah, so private way, private lane, private this. We got to volunteer during the fall time to fix our own roads. The city doesn't do that around here. Nope. Oh, you. It's like fucking what? Imagine the puddles, right? Yeah, and I chose the right time to go for a long walk. I don't know if you can see any raindrops or hear them. Listen. It's picking up. It's picking up. I better put my phone away. Whoa, I almost missed the hole. Almost got the hole. Look, you see people trying to miss them for the tires. Like, nope. No way around that one. Ah! Oh, we're getting to turf now. Ah, I know, right? You know how many pair of shoes I ruin in these woods? Because I like to go for walks and I like to play in the dirt. Okay, it's really raining now. Bye.